Ant has built within each customer an activity log, which is found in this activity tab. Now you're going to be able to log every conversation, dialogue, communication you have with your client, and you can track it right here within this activity tab. But not only our users' dialogue is going to be tracked, Ant's going to do its best attempt to track system dialogues. So an opportunity was created yesterday on this client. Ant logs that system activity right here. But let's go ahead and look at manually logging entries. Now, as long as a customer's email is in the system, Ant will automatically grab all incoming and outgoing emails to that email address that's within that customer. So emails will automatically be logged in this activity log. So let's put in a subject line here. Left message. It was a phone call. The direction was outgoing because I called the customer. We can date it and time stamp it. And then we can put in very descriptive notes. Left customer message about our product. Now, of course, that's very generic, but as you can see, you have plenty of room here to keep a very descriptive dialogue of the communication you had with your client. Now, up here in type, it will default with some different communication events. You can manually change these, add to, or delete that, and you can do that through the settings tab over here in customers. I'm going to click save. And now you can see that my left message, type phone call, it was outgoing information, and it even gives you part of the notes, is all logged right here within our client, within his activity tab. And if I click on that and open it, it's going to give me the full dialogue message. And this will just start to load with emails automatically, and with any other kind of dialogue you have with your client, you would log that into here. Now over here you're going to see another activity button, so let's click on that. And all that's simply going to be is a global activity of what's going on in your business. So every event that happens to every customer will be logged in this global activity. So now what you can do with this global activity view is, first of all, you can reduce the view down to you. So let's say you have a personal goal of you want to make sure you make 10 connections a day. This is a great place to go to make sure that you're staying in with your goals by looking at the date and make sure that you're having that capita that you're meeting of the connections you want to make per day. Another thing you can do is restrict the view types. Currently, if you see a blue dot next to it, it's showing that view type. But let's say I don't want to see system views. I would click right there, and that will reset the view to show me everything except for the type system. And again, if I don't want to see fax, I can go ahead and click here, and now it's showing me everything except for faxes and system types. And that's a quick look at the activity log that's available both to the individual customer and from a global view with Ant. Arius.